Come on.
Dude, Matt.
What?
We have to shoot, man.
Just wait.
No,
There's-
Matt, like, come on.
There's a shiny Pikachu here. Just wait.
You know, when I was your age, I respected my elders.
Oh, nice run.
Oh.
You've made it run away now.
First world problem sounds like to me.
Jeez, like, oh, we're shooting.
Exactly.
Sorry. Welcome, guys. Hello, and welcome back to the OnDemand Azure Files. What episode are we on?
I think it's episode 5 or 6.
We are on episode 6. So thank you so much for all the responses. It's been quite overwhelming. We've had a lot of email coming through from all of you guys with great questions.
Please keep sending, guys. We've seen, it's really cool. Please keep us here. Honestly, we're having a lot of fun doing this.
Now, what we want to do is we want to, first of all, thank the amazing lady behind the scenes that dresses us every week. She's done a fantastic job with getting us all these cool shirts.
If you want these cool shirts, please dial 087, credit card details here, and we'll hook you up.
But really, Sharon has been an amazing coordinator for all of this stuff, so we really want to thank her. And as a result of all of these cool shirts that we've done, if you send us a really, really nice question that we can discuss on the show, we will be sending you a prize. Now, it may be one of these cool shirts, not worn by us, but we'll get you a new one.
It won't be the Matt shirt.
Or it could be something along the lines of tux. But I like tux, so maybe a shirt. But yes, guys, we definitely will be giving you a prize if you send us a really, really cool, compelling question that we can use on the show.
Talking about questions, I think let's get into the question of the week.
Fantastic.
Okay, so Helen in Witbank says she's ready to move into the cloud and has heard a great deal about the service levels there. She asks, how can I get the most uptime possible in Azure so I can keep the guys in risk management off my back?
Risk management, wow, okay. So that is an interesting question, and thank you for that. So,
There's so many features out there.
so many features, correct. So I think if we talk about
Uptime, availability sets.
we link that to SLAs. No matter which cloud provider we're using, SLAs are always going to be part of something that contributes to that comforting feeling that we can give to our risk management teams. So I don't know if you want to talk about the SLAs in Azure and how you actually qualify for them when you're deploying services.
Right, so the SLA in Azure, I think it's 999.9% uptime.
There's a lot of nines.
Not a nice. There's a catch to that. In order to get that uptime, when you deploy a virtual machine, you need to deploy it in an availability set.
Now, availability sets are free of charge. You don't pay for them, they are not billed extra, and essentially that is Azure's way of saying, well, this is a free way we can keep your server redundant inside our data center.
Remember, free, like Microsoft charged you for Windows Vista, it will not charge you for this.
But here's a question I have. So does that mean that we shouldn't back our servers up if we're deploying them into availability sets?
Okay, so that's a big misconception that we have out there. A lot of guys put their stuff into Azure or into a cloud and they reckon it's safe. Guys, you still have to back up your servers, whether it be in the cloud or on-prem. You have to back it up.
Yes, you definitely do have to back up your servers, whether you're using a third-party backup software or you're using a backup software that is native to Azure, which are really cool. We've got the likes of Azure Backup, which is the Mars agent. We also have Site Recovery, which are really cool tools to use in Azure. Those things will also contribute based on the amount of retention policies you set. These things will all contribute towards that risk management, and as well as tying into your environment's SLAs, which are extremely important. I think if we had to replicate these features locally on-premise, it would cost a fortune. So how do we keep risk management a big part of our business as well as doing it at a really good cost? Modular and scalable platforms like Azure allow for this.
And I think that's the one word, Azure, that can do it for you.
So I just realized something. We did forget to discuss the shirts for today.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Well,
So-
you were busy playing Pokemon.
Yes,
I think you have to go. Do you have to go chase that?
as a result, yeah. I am a massive Pokemon Go player. I don't belong to Poke League though. But yes, I decided to wear a Pokemon Go shirt today because it's a really cool app. and it does a lot for me. So
I'm subtly doing the Nintendo. Zelda Xbox One would also be really cool while you're working out there. Really, really cool.
You know,
Vintage, nudge, nudge, wink, wink.
you know, I had no idea what that logo meant.
Like I said, when I was your age, I respected my elders.
And you knew what my logo meant though. So I got you to play Pokemon.
No, he has in a
once
way.
upon a time.
Yeah,
I really
he has.
did.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, guys, and as you know, we normally do a Geeky Fact of the Week. And while we're talking about availability, let's have a look at, have you guys ever compared 99% availability versus 99.999 availability?
That's uptime availability, right?
Yeah.
No.
There's a lot of nines. So 5 nines, which we know is 99.999, is 5.26 minutes of downtime per year. If you just take 99, that's 3.65 days of downtime per year. Now let's imagine that over month end. Who's going to have a conversation with the CEO?
Or risk management. Yeah, geez, wow. That is actually quite a big difference.
I wonder which Nintendo runs for Pokemon Go. God forbid he's 3.65 days down.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't survive. There's no chance. There's definitely no chance of survival there.
Guys, but that's us for this week. Thank you for joining. We hope you've enjoyed the show. As you remember, cool t-shirts. We'll give you Sharon's number next time.
Yes, thank you guys for joining us. Please keep those emails coming in hot. We really want to see those compelling questions, so please keep them coming. And always don't forget to subscribe.